everyone, my name is Emily. I'm a naturalist that works for Baltimore Woods Nature Center in Marcellus, New York. This week we are looking at the different types of art that we can find in nature. So today we are checking in at Baltimore Woods to look and listen for the music that nature provides us. We are going to visit the stream, the forest, and the pond to discover the different sounds that we can hear. Let's go. First, we will visit the stream. Consider what you think of when you hear these different sounds. What do they remind you of? Where have you heard them before? Next, we will head to the forest. How do you think these sounds will be different than the ones we heard at the stream? Do you think there'll be any similar sounds? Try to pick out all of the different sounds that you hear at the pond. How many did you hear? Remember that many of these sounds are animals communicating with each other. Music to my ears. Nature provides us with such wonderful sounds. Take time this week to go outside, go for a walk, go for a hike, and just listen. Thanks for joining me today, everyone. If you want to see more videos like this one, you can visit our website, baltimorewoods.org, or follow us on social media. We'll see you next time.